Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another video in my channel Order Flow with Eden. So my name is Eden, I'm 20 years old. I've been trading order flow for roughly 4 years in the S&P 500 markets and the Nasdaq futures market, and I did crazy result and crazy profits, and I learned exactly how you should trade order flow like a professional and like a institutional. So I follow institutionals and then trading moves, and I know exactly how the market behavior works, which is the very most important thing you should know while trading. So in this video I'll be telling you why exactly you should choose order flow if you want to trade in 2026, and why is it so important for your trading. So I'll be explaining everything in this channel so you can start from A to Z and you can become a pro like me in trading the order flow, where you can analyze the market in seconds. So in this video, we explain why order flow trading gives you an edge that traditional charting and indicators simply cannot. You learn how analyzing real buying and selling activity shows who is in control, reveals supply and demand imbalances, and confirms market turning points. Whether trading futures, currencies, or commodities, order flow helps you make smarter, low risk, and high reward decisions by following real market behavior instead of lagging indicators and technical analysis. If you want to trade with clarity, discipline, and insight, this video will show you why order flow should be at the center of your strategy. So order flow gives you a greater insight to analyze exactly what's happening, analyzing the real buying and selling activity that you can see on the chart, and reveal the supply and demand imbalance, who's in control, and when the market will turn. So if you want to find out more about order flow, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. This will help me to make more videos for you. So what is the purpose of order flow? It's not about predicting exact tops or bottoms. It's visualizing confirming market turning points as they form, providing insight into market psychology, and focus on supply and demand interactions rather than lagging indicators or formulas, because price moves when demand exceeds supply and vice versa. So while trading, you're looking for a pattern to be formed. You're looking for supply and demand interactions, who's in control and who's losing, who's weak, getting weaker, and who's getting stronger. Then you can see when price moves, when demand is higher than supply, and when supply is higher than demand, which basically influences price to go up or down. That's when you get your move, and you can really get a great entering area and also exit area. And that's why order flow stays the top number one way of trading in 2026. So it's about understanding other traders too. Order flow is about understanding market participant who is long or short and possibly wrong, who is attempting to push prices higher or lower, where imbalances in supply and demand exist. And this insight comes from analyzing volume and price movement at the bid and ask. So it's going to simply tell you who is long or short and who is possibly wrong, who is attempting to push the prices higher or lower, and this all can be shown in your chart if you really understand how order flow works. So you can also recognize patterns. While markets are never exactly repeated, order flow allows traders to identify recurring behaviors, aggressive buyers or sellers entering the market, weak highs or lows signaling exhaustion. So this is simply a pattern that shows you that the market is getting exhausted, and this is a great green flag to enter for all the order flow traders. Here also, this is a great position, and here we can see that we have a lot of patterns that keep forming every day in the market, and you just have to find those where you can take your position. So this is why order flow is the greatest way you can use for trading. By observing these patterns, traders can gauge who is in control and anticipate likely market direction, and that's why order flow sits at the top. So order flow allows traders to stay out of low probability trades. It gives you great and insightful trades that you shouldn't miss. Also, you can see both sides of the market, what is trading on the bid versus the offer, who's actually buying a lot and who's selling, and then you can gain a better understanding of current supply and demand dynamics than ordinary chart analysis allows. It replaces the field traders once got on trading floors with objective and real-time data, and that's how you can take greater positions and actually know why you're taking a position, rather than just feeling the market is going up or down based on some pattern that happened maybe yesterday on the same price, and then you just guess it whether it's going to turn or it's going to be going down or up. So what did we learn from this video? This is a key takeaways from this video. I have this one on all my videos so you can have a great summary of what did we talk about. Well, first of all, order flow visualizes real-time market behavior rather than relying on lagging indicators. It helps traders read the footprints of large participants and identify supply-demand imbalances. Also, markets are not random, they move according to human behavior and market psychology. Then you're going to understand order flow allows discretionary informed trading across any liquid market. And yes, it feels like you're having insider information because you can see pattern before they form. And that's why I guess order flow is the number one way you can trade in 2026. So thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next video. And please let me know if you have any questions. So this was Stan with you in order flow with Ethan. So I'll be posting 2 videos daily from Monday to Friday. And please, if you have anything you want me to talk about, do let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you tomorrow in the next videos. Thank you.